We are now approaching University. Please mind the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform before removing heavy luggage and pushchairs. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
Right, you heard the announcement, you know where we are arriving at now. Technically third station of the day, but yeah. Anyway, right. Not been here for a while actually. To be fair, I've not done much in South Cross City for ages. Right then. Bang on 11 o'clock, so it's a nice easy start here. Right then, we'll get started here at University with the departure of 7:30:011 and 7:30:046 with 2 Oscar 22 and the 11 o'clock West Midlands Railway service from Lichfield Trent Valley to Bromsgrove. On the other side for West Midlands Railway, we've also got 2 Papa 23 and 7:30:002 and 019 with the 11:01 West Midlands Railway service from Bromsgrove to Lichfield Trent Valley. And just like that, both sets head out now on time. Right, straight into a fast action. Next up for West Midlands Railway, we should see the pass of 196. Oh yeah, I'm actually in disbelief. They've put a 172 on it. Jesus Christ. Arriving in next for West Midlands Railway, we should see 172335 with 1 Mike 59 and the 1102 West Midlands Railway service from Hereford to Birmingham New Street. Why have they put a turbo star on it though? Is real-time trends right? Yep. See, and this is why I should look at real-time trends before I assume. There was me thinking it was a 196, only for 172335 to show up. Oh well. It's different. Off it goes. Okay, next up we should see Next up we should see 7:30:044 and 7:30:021 with 2U24 and the 11:07 West Midlands Railway service from Redditch to Four Oaks. Yeah, these were already running 4.5 minutes late, but obviously because of that 172. The time you're hearing this must have genuinely only gone about 30 seconds ago. 2U24 is coming in to stop at a signal by the looks of it. Yeah, it's coming in for a signal stop. Yeah, I can hear it. It should be coming in just now actually. Right. 172 madness out the way.
Platform 1 for the
11:06 West Midlands Railway Service to Four Oaks via Birmingham East.
Oh, here it comes. Is it still doing its signal stop?
Please be aware that fast trains come through this station regularly. For own safety, when you are on
No,
any of
it's
the
now it's got
platforms, please ensure you remain behind
permission
the
to
yellow
proceed
lights
up the
so that
line.
you are not near the platform edge. Staff may approach you if you are not in a position of safety. Thank you.
Should be arriving in now anyway. It's running 5 minutes late now with the delay it's picked up just along the way. I assume it arrived to Bromsgrove late or Redditch. Oh no, it'll be coming from Redditch, I just realised. Yeah, must have picked up a delay either arriving at Redditch or leaving it. Right, here they are anyway. Oh wait, no, they're only at Selly Oak, I've just realised.
Please remember to mind the gap when
Right, and here it goes. Alright then, next up for cross country we should see the pass of 1 Victor 50 as we see 220009 and 221115 passing from Edinburgh Waverley to Plymouth. That's running on time. And a couple of minutes later we should see the pass of 1 Mike 33 as we see 220025 working from Bristol Temple Meads to Manchester Piccadilly. The only thing about doing the cross city, you get plagued by a certain thing running fast. Do I blame cross country? No, I just blame Bombardier, to be fair. They're the ones who came up with the idea of the literal train wrecks that are Voyagers. Jesus Christ, how slow is this going to be running? Quite by the looks of it. I thought Voyager was meant to run fast services. Here it is. And I'm finally finishing us up here in what's been a good session at university. We should see the arrival of 7:30. Where are we looking? Two Romeo 23 from Four Oaks to Redditch. Jesus, that's right. There we go. 7:30:039 and 043 are about to arrive in with two Romeo 23 in the 11:23 West Midlands Railway service from Four Oaks to Redditch to finish us up. Are we actually going to get that, or no? We're not going to get it. Yeah, these should be arriving in now to finish us up. Here they are. This is our final working of this session. and then just look at the diagram. Selly Oak should be a pretty chaotic start if it works how it should. Alright, here comes 7:30. Yep, there they are. Right then, as they arrive, time to move on to Selly Oak, and that is a good session at university done.